What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews. I'm going over this intake right here, and basically it goes on a 55-gallon drum, so we should be all right because our drum is 55 gallons, and they make this stuff specifically for ugly drums. They have two different types on Amazon. One has like little holes on the inside, I guess so bugs or nothing don't get in, but bugs find their way into everything. So they have two different types. This was the cheapest one. The other one was a little bit more expensive, but I might get the other one also because I want two of these. I want one all the way on the bottom, and I want one where my fire is at. I want to control my temperature a little bit more, so that's why I'm getting this. So we get it out, and simple as that. Let air in, close it so you can leave the air outside. Comes with the screws, washers. Come on. Alright, you guys, so this comes with the screws and the washers. Alright, so for the most part, I'll just screw it in like that. Unless you got some metal screws, and then you could just use your metal screws and screw it in. I don't see no harm in that. That's actually what I might do, so we'll see. So let's get into it. Alright, you guys, so now we're about to use the Nikio center punch, and this is a automatic center punch, so I have never used this before. The other center punches I had was, you know, the old school style, so you can actually set it to high and low. Alright, so you have adjustable impact on this thing, and let's go ahead and get into it. And the only hole I need to make is this little square right here anyway. Now that I center punched it in, it should be easier to drill, right? And I'm all the way on one. Yep, definitely easier. So, salute to the guy that said I'm missing my center punch, because I used to use a center punch until I lost them. So I was just winging it out, but I didn't know center punches was so cheap on Amazon. We're looking good, you guys. We are looking good. Feeling good, feeling good, feeling great. Now I know y'all barely could see them, and the light is shining very, very bright on the screen, so I can't even see if y'all see it, but let me point. Let me see if I can show y'all. So the punch is right here, and then I got a punch right here. And that's it. Perfect. Now I'm not sitting here wiggling, wobbling, and going everywhere. Alright, you guys, so in the pack they just give you 8 screws and wait, no, they give you 4 screws and 8 washers. Alright, screwed in perfect. The stars are aligning now. Ooh, you guys, it is hot out here. Alright, you guys, so with that, I used the wrong drill bit. Well, too small. So with this, it has the little nut that goes in the back, so you can make the hole a little bit bigger. Me, I just went even size because I thought it would work. I gotta put these nuts on the inside and then finalize the review. Alright, now we're about to work on this side. Handle right there, because my fire is going to be right here, literally. So I will be able to see my fire, control it. The only thing I can say is it has a little gap in it, like very small gap, tiny, like really tiny gap. So I could use some, maybe some fireproof sealant or something, and like maybe put it right there. You probably never see it. Down here I'm not worried because I got the lip right here. I probably had that gap because maybe it should have been up here a little bit more, but I wanted it closer to the fire. But other than that, that will be it. If you have any other questions, comments, concerns, let me know. Put it in the comment section. I'll try to get to you as soon as possible. Like, comment, share, and subscribe.